Good morning guys! Linggo ngayon. Linggong-linggo. Isa sa mga araw na ayaw ko. Parang estudyante lang na ayaw mo ng linggo kasi kinabukasan alam mo, napapasok ka na sa school. Ako ganon din yung nararamdaman ko guys. Kinabukasan papasok na naman. So, anyway, punta kami sa birthday party. So, meron na naman tayong ate na ng birthday party. Birthday ng anak ng stepbrother ni Dan. So, madali ang makeup lang ngayon, guys. Gamitin ko yung aking Tony Moly Yolk Primer. Ang lagi kong ginagamit na primer, diba, ito? Kasi gusto ko siya maubos. Eh, nakita ko to dito lang sa collection ko. Sabi ko, hala, primer pala to. Gamitin ko din para maubos din. Ito yung yellow na color na primer, guys. Ganyan siya, Ang ganda nito sa skin, actually. And ang cute niya. Ang cute ng packaging ng mga Korean. Korean ba yan? Korean yan, diba? Tony Moly. Cute na mga packaging nila. Ay, pinanood ko pala kanina while I was in bed. Kasi hindi ako bumangon agad-agad. Yung video nila. Actually, nag-up yun kahapon nung magkasama kami. Sabi ko, ano tong tag na tulay? Hypocrite YouTuber tag. Sabi niya, mga question lang, dahil. Sabi niya. Tapos tinag niya ako. So, gagawin ko, guys. Pero hindi sit-down video. Kasi wala tayong time mag-sit-down video today. So, i-incorporate ko na lang siya sa vlog. Sasagutin ko yung mga tanong na yun. Kahapon, pinanood namin yung video na guys, na yung dahilan kung bakit nagkasakit si Dan sa Thailand. Kasi nung nagpunta kami ng Thailand sa Phuket, nagkasakit siya. And parang naging topic namin kagabi kasama si Tony at saka Lai. Yung about sa bakasyon-bakasyon. Nagpunta nga sila ng Bangkok, ganun-ganun. Nagpunta nga sila ng Phuket, ganun-ganun. Tapos sabi ni Dan, nagkasakit ako sa Phuket. Sabi niya, hanapin mo yung video na yung dahilan ng pagkakasakit ko. And ito yung dahilan, guys. Nakakaano din kasi si Kuya. Tingnan mo yung kamay ni Kuya. Wala siyang gloves. Tapos yung towel na ginagamit niya pampunas ng kamay niya, ang dumi-dumi yung nasa likod na towel. Pero hindi ko alam kung na-include ko to sa vlog kasi in-upload ko yung vlog na yun nung nagpunta kami sa Thailand. Pero yan yung dahilan kung bakit siya nagkasakit the next day. As in, nagkasakit talaga siya, guys, na nahihirapan siya bumangon dun. And so yun yung dahilan. Nakita na namin siya, oh my gosh, nakita na namin siya actually. Parang hindi namin siya napansin na nandun kami kasi parang hindi ko din alam kung bakit hindi namin napansin. Hindi ko kasi siya kinain kasi yung in-order ko parang cheese na may egg, tapos yung kay Dan banana at saka Nutella, hindi ko nagustuhan yung akin. So, si Dan yung kumain. Siya yung nagkasakit. Parang, nag-bite lang ako. Parang isang bite lang yung akin. Anyway, bakit tayo napunta sa video na yun? Pag-open ko kasi sa photos ko, ito yung nakita. So, na-interrupt tuloy tayo. Hinahanapin ko yung kasi nag-screenshot ako ng mga questions. Sagutin natin yun. Tara! Ang layo. The questions. First question, have you ever blocked someone on Instagram? Yes, oo. On Instagram siguro to at saka YouTube. Yeah, oo. Kasi may iba na sobra na. Yung iba na ang tsatsaka na ng mga sinasabi, like very below the belt na. Yung mga inaakasahan ka na, like, ewan ko, yung parang, basta, parang kapag binabasa mo, parang imbis na magagalit ka, parang naaawa ka sa tao. Kasi parang, paano niya nasasabi yung mga ganito? Yung very off, na very below the belt talaga. So, binablock ko yung mga taong ganun. Kapag mga ganun na, ang pangit-pangit mo, ganun-ganun, wala lang. Hindi ko sila binablock. Dinidelete ko, or kapag nakita ko, dinidelete ko, hindi ko binablock. Pero kapag mga below the belt na parang, especially kapag ini-include na yung pamilya, dun, binablock ko. Anyway, tapusin muna natin yung makeup natin kasi si Mr. dumadaan-daan na. Tapos na siya mag-shower, tapos na siya maligo. Tapos na siya lahat, ready na siya. Tapos meron pa ako i-wrap na present. So, maya na ulit yung ibang questions. Mag-makeup muna tayo. Kasi konti lang naman yung questions Gamitin na yung ginamit ko kahapon na makeup, same lang yung gagamitin ko. So, yung concealer ko from Wet n Wild. Tapos itong aking pangmalakasan na powder. Okay, tapusin ko lang itong makeup na to, guys, ha? Ayan, guys, tapos na yung makeup natin. Basa yung mukha ko. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng aking Aritom All Day Makeup Fixer. Sobrang malapit na siya maubos. Nandito na lang siya. Ginamit ko, guys, sa eyebrows ko. Not eyebrows. Sa aking... Bakit ganyan yung itsura ng eyebrows? Parang, to? Hindi na feel lang maayos. Wait. Let us fix you. Siguro sa lighting? Sa lighting siguro, guys. Dark tingnan yung dito kaysa sa... Yeah, okay lang naman, diba? Anyway, okay lang yan. Ay, bahala na yan. Back to the mascara. Ito yung mascara na gamit ko, guys. Chateau Labiot na wine angle mascara. Ito. In fairness, okay siya. Wait, bakit? Hindi pala. Parang kanina kasi sobrang nalilift niya yung eyelashes ko. Ngayon parang nagda-down siya. Wait, ubusin ko lang yung aking kape. Pupunta pa pala kami sa Kohl's before kami pumunta sa birthday. So, the eggs will go off tomorrow.
Yes, do you need more eggs? You gonna use eggs?
No, but I can. Sige na lang. Yeah.
Are you using eggs?
I'll just that's not my plan, but I'll just cook. Okay. It's not my plan, but if it's gonna go off tomorrow, we need to eat it.
Right.
Oh no, I can boil it and have it for snack tomorrow. Yeah. Hard-boiled eggs for snack. Is that fine?
Yeah. That's
yeah. Fine. It will go off tomorrow, so I still can boil it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Go for the 30th.
Ang daming eggs.
It's alright, I'll just throw them away. I'm saying, do you want it on the shopping list or not?
Eggs? No. Nah.
Okay.
No.
Alright.
Do you need eggs? Wait, how about you?
I've got eggs in my things. That's why
Ay, oo nga
that's why I've been using
pala.
eggs. 'Cause I've been...
May egg siya dito. Meron siyang... Okay. My tocino, I'll cook it tonight. Tocino! Chicken. But this is chicken. I thought it was pork. Because it's usually pork tocino. But this one is chicken tocino. I didn't even realize that.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Leave it in. Get your coffee and...
That's my coffee. Babe, I was gonna do that anyway.
No, you won't.
Hehe. Okay. Ito natin yan dyan. Ito yung present para kay Archer na kailangan naming i-wrap. Ang cute! Does this make noise, babe?
I don't think so.
No? So it's just, yeah.
Push joy.
Push that? That looks cute. He will like that. What else, babe? Oh, you know what, babe? This is not the Japanese one. Uy! This is not the Japanese one. It's not. No, someone sent me a picture on Instagram. Thank you sa nag-send sa akin ng picture. Yeah, it's the red one with the baby, with the baby logo on the packaging. But it's very similar. So it looks exactly like this, but with the red lid. Yeah. Salamat sa nag-message sa akin sa Instagram. Ano pa bang kailangan ko? Wala na. Meron akong dyan, cabbage na hindi pa ubos. Ang dami pa. So I'll just... Wala, babe. Let me see. Wala, I got this from Ate Cheryl. Yung mga ganito, guys. Mga sauce. When's the expiration date? Caldereta sauce. Spicy meats. 2 sauce. Ito, oh. Sige, lutuin ko to, babe. Meron naman ako sa lista. Pork. Ano kailangan dito? Gulay at karne na pinalambot sa 2,500 na tubig. So, anong gulay? Hindi ko alam kung anong gulay ang ilalagay sa caldereta. Oo, okay to. Kasi, ang liit lang. Sakto lang to sa akin. Ano bang gulay ng caldereta? Hindi alam yung kanta. Answer tayo na next question, babe. Do you envy any other YouTuber? I'm like doing a tag in a vlog.
Do I envy any other YouTuber?
Do you? Yeah.
I wouldn't say envy. But
Inspired.
I reckon... Not inspired.
Oh.
No, but I reckon the ones that are making a fortune. I reckon that'd be cool. That'd be cool.
Babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's good if you're making like a lot of money doing something that you love.
Yeah, so making like $1 million a year.
Yeah.
Filming stuff. Be good.
Hindi siya. It's not envy.
It's not envy.
It's not envy. It's like good on them. Like, you know, good job. But yeah, it's not envy.
No, it's not envy.
Do I? No, I don't. I don't. I'm fine. I'm really happy. Like, I think I'm in my happiest. Char. Envy is not a good idea, guys. So count your blessings. You know, every day is a blessing. Char. Pagising ko sa umaga, lagi akong, hi, salamat. Another day. You know, magpapasalamat tayo sa kanya kasi another day. And yeah, wag natin masyadong i-focus yung sarili natin sa kung ano nararating ng iba. Kasi iba-iba tayo eh. Iba-iba. Sobrang iba-iba tayo. Anyway, punta na kami ng Kohl's. Bili lang kami ng mga kailangan bilhin. Where's our list?
In my pocket.
Okay. Wag to. Tsaka to. Wag yan. Ito, babe. This one or this one? Actually, this one. This one. See? Doggy. No, 2.
Why do we need 2?
I think my side is running out in the bedroom. Tapos na kami guys, nakapila na kami. Ang daming half price, oh. Half price, half price, half price. Wait, don't forget my bag. Nakapay na yung bag ko dyan. Fly guys. Tapos na kami sa Kohl's guys. Meron kaming free gift. Ano siya guys, mga collectibles. Kapag nakaspend ka ng $30 or more, bibigyan ka nila ng ganito. And ano siya, mga sabi little shop. Sa Kohl's lang siya available. Open natin guys. So this is our first one kasi usually kapag pumunta kami ng Kohl's pa, unti-unti yung mga binibili namin. What do you think it is?
A Milo.
Do you want a Milo?
Yeah.
Wait, let's open this one first. So, okay. So it's kind of like a Shopkin.
Yeah, it is.
So, yeah, but it doesn't come with the cart. It doesn't come with the cart. It's just a... Hala! Lego.
Legos.
Ang cute! Bolognese. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, bolognese sauce.
Bolognese sauce. Yan guys, ang cute! Oh, that's so cute, babe.
That's cute.
Oh, with chunky tomato, garlic, and herbs. Yeah, look. Cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
It looks really nice as well. It's very well made.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Now we need to spend $30 always. We just go there if we have to. Hello, you. How much did we spend today?
56.
56. We should have gotten like $4 worth more and then do 2 transactions.
One transaction that would have been enough. You could spend, say if you spend...
Yeah. So every $30 you get 1.
Yeah, so you spend
So
300, that would give you 10.
Hello, babe. We should have... See? We should have just gotten rice.
I said, do you want the rice?
No, you didn't.
I did
No,
say.
it's nice. No, but I don't need rice now. But if we're gonna get like... Ay, nako. Ay, nako, babe. Anyway, that's it, guys. Let's answer one more question. Where's my... Let's answer one more question while you're here, my love. Have you ever answered back to comments in a rude way? He has.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah,
Once,
I don't.
Once or twice.
One time you said, you replied to a stupid comment. You said, stupid comment. Because it is a stupid comment. But I don't. Which one is your favorite video you've ever done? Philippines vlogs. I love Philippines. I miss Philippines. What's your favorite video we've ever done?
I can't remember. Too many. Too many, babe.
You like the Q&As?
Yeah, but they're not my favourites.
Oh, it's not?
No, they're good, but they're not my favourite. Like.
So we're not gonna... Oh, let's just...
No.
Okay.
No, don't.
I know!
Yes.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't. You didn't say any words.
No, I said I'm not gonna open the garage. But before I finish my sentence, you're like, no. Kasi alis din kami guys, so dito na lang kami. Pinatong ko kayo sa gift ni Arch. Huwag mong galawin yung gift ha. Medyo ano siya, hindi siya steady. Hold tayo sandali, saglit lang. Tapos i-wrap natin yung present and then alis tayo. So I got croissant para sa aking breakfast. We got 2 tissue kasi naubos na yung sa dito sa lounge and then yung sa side ko sa bedside naubos natin. So dalawa. I got green beans. Kapag nakikita ko yung Kohl's na merong ganito, yung nirarap na nila yung green beans or naka-package na ganito, binibili ko guys. So yan, mura lang to, like $2 lang. And sobrang dali lang nung lutuin. And my niece biscuit para sa breakfast ko. I got pork to cook with my green beans and then meron din akong cabbage dun. So I'll use pork with that. And then chicken cubes at saka beef cubes. So yan. Para panlasa ng ating mga kinakain. Kinder Surprise. Bibigyan ni Dan ng extra gift yung si Arch. So meron yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina at saka ito. Toothpaste. Naka half price siya guys. And kailangan namin ng toothpaste. So we just pick the Oral-B one. And then chicken wings. Maybe one time mag-aadobo ako. Konti lang yung binili ko kasi ako lang yung kakain kasi si Dan may light and easy na siya. Vinegar kasi naubusan kami ng vinegar. And mga pang-cleaning stuff. Kasi kahapon naglinis kami ng bonggang-bongga and naubusan na kami ng mga panglinis. So we have, babe, this is a glass cleaner, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Windex?
Yeah. This is for the shower though.
I can use that on other stuff as well.
The other one is like just glass cleaner that you can use.
They'll be the same.
Yeah, anyway. Window, ano guys, shower cleaner. Pero yun yung ginagamit namin para sa kitchen table at saka yan, dyan sa ano. And we got the spray and wipe. Na bathroom din? This one is for the bathroom as well.
Same thing.
And fluffy. This is for the car. We should have just left it in the car.
I'll get changed.
Here. You will get changed?
No, I'll change it over.
Okay. And then, bumili kami ng shampoo. So, magkaiba yung shampoo namin. May nag-message sa akin kanina sa Instagram. Salamat sa nag-message. Sabi niya, ito daw yung ginagamit niya sa buhok niya. Garnier Fructis Full and Luscious shampoo. It thickens daw, guys. This is for thin hair. So, buti na nakita ko siya dun kanina. And then si Dan, gusto niya talaga ng iba lang talaga. Gusto niya talaga iba yung sa kanya. Ito yung hiyang siya. Herbal Essences na Deep Moisture shampoo with coconut essences. And yun lang. Ligpitin natin to. And doon na tayo, guys. Alis na naman tayo. Ito, malapit na ito mag-expire. 2nd of August. So, kailangan ko ito lutuin agad-agad. So, bukas siguro yung lulutuin ko. And then yung chicken. Doon ka muna. This one. Ano pa yung kailangan ilagay sa fridge? Walay na. Okay. May nagtatanong, na-feature ko na to sa na-feature ko na to sa vlog ko. Paano ko siya pino-fold? Pero, nung nag-fold ako ulit, parang may nagtanong ulit kung paano. So, ganyan lang. I-flat mo lang siya, guys. And then, fold it in half. And then, fold it again. Ganyan na. Tapos, i-ganon mo lang siya. Yan. Tapos pababa. Sobrang dali lang nito. Ganyan. And kapag malapit ka na sa dulo, itatakin mo siya dito. Yan. Para hindi magulo yung mga plastic nyo ba. Ito yung lagi kong ginagawa. Natutunan ko to. Saan ko ba to natutunan? Basta Pilipinas pa ako nito eh. Tapos, ginagawa ko to sa bahay. Yeah, I know. Yun. Para hindi makalat. It won't fit, babe.
Okay.
Get me the blue one,
Yeah.
please. Thank you. Irarap niya talaga yung Kinder Egg. Oh, ang mink niyan, ha? Pinipilit niya talaga yung Kinder Surprise niya. No, there, here. Oh, and then make it two. Tsaka. Hala. See? Dito sana. At saka dito. Dalawa. Okay. Good job! Yan. Pack! Okay. Wala pa akong lip tint. Mag-ano ako, guys, actually mag-Sisep Beauty lipstick. Ay, hala. Wala dito si Sisep Beauty ko. Yung nandito si Lip Sheer lang. Ay. Buti na lang meron tayo dito sa car ni Dan. Dear Darling Tint from Etude House. And then yung Pony Effect. Pony Effect ata to yung water light. I'll use this. Yung ka-Etude House. Maganda to eh. Yung shade nito, Red Bean. Red ata yung shade nito. Yan. Tapos maya lagyan natin ng lip sheer kapag mag-set na siya. Let's answer one more question. What video are you embarrassed about? Yung mga sobrang unang videos ko. Why did you laugh? What video are you embarrassed about?
The dancing one.
The dancing one? You're embarrassed about that one?
That's an embarrassing video.
Is it?
It is.
You had fun though. I had fun. Well, I'm not a dancer. And yeah.
I know.
Sorry, babe. Have you ever had problems with any other YouTuber? I don't. What would you change about your channel now? Would you change anything about my channel?
Yeah.
What?
The main star.
Do you want to be the main star?
I don't be the main star.
Buang. Have you ever been inspired or copied another YouTuber? I'm always inspired.
And always copy.
Yeah, like copying is normal. in the YouTube world. Like, people are reviewing this, you wanna review it as well. It's copying.
Challenges or copies?
Sorry?
Challenges are all copies?
Yeah, right? Yeah. Challenges are all copies. Pero, it cannot be the same. Kasi you're like different people, you know? So, but yeah, copying is always there. Have you ever disliked another YouTuber's video? You do?
I do.
No, I never dislike. If I don't like it, I just stop watching it. I don't dislike. You dislike other videos. The kinds of videos that he watches is way different from the kinds of videos that I watch. So he watched like politics,
Social issues.
yeah, social issues. Yun yung mga ano niya guys, pinapanood niya. Ako, like makeup videos, vlogs. I don't dislike other videos kasi, you know, parang if I don't like it, I just stop watching it. Do you have a fake account?
No.
No, good. To do things you don't do with your main account. No, I don't have a fake account. Hindi ko na nga siguro alam paano mag-create ng account. Ang tagal ko nang create yung account ko. Pero yeah, wala. You don't have one either, babe?
Nope.
You sure? Wala, guys. Yun! That's it! That's a tag. We did it. Thank you, Lyra, for tagging us. Ililive ko yung video ni Lai. Tinatag ko kayong lahat. Kayong lahat na nag-YouTube, tinatag ko kayo. Do the video. Feel free to do the video. And, yeah. Anyway, papunta na kami sa bahay ng ano niya, guys. Ng step brother niya para mag-celebrate ng birthday. In fairness sa ano mo ha, kinder mo, nandiyan pa rin siya. Yeah. Your kinder, babe. Still holding on. Your kinder. What time is it? Pauwi na kami, guys. Tapos na yung party. It was just, salo-salo lang. Kain-kain. Load ng footy. May footy kasi dun. Tapos yung papa ni Arch, yung step brother ni Dan. Fort supported din. So, nanood kami. And we won! Babe!
We won.
Look, why is my stupid girl? You didn't even notice my clicker was on.
I did. I didn't want to say anything.
I was like, click, 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 click. Hello, people! Kanta pa more! Kanta pa more!
Hi guys. Click the link down below.
Nag-promote. Luto tayo ng chicken tosino.
Anak, don't forget to subscribe. Sa adlaw.
Say lambu.
Hi guys.
Lambo ba?
Kiki.
Hi guys.
Do you love me?
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys.
Lambo ba?
Hi guys.
Back to my channel.
Ngayon magkuhan ko.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hatsay, bigay ko sa'yo na.
Si Dan po. Oh, si Dan. May ka na mo sayo si Dan. Oy. Sayaw ka na, be. Guys, pernay ko to, yung chicken tosino. Kaya lang ilalagay ko siya sa oven, guys, just to make sure na lutong-luto yung ilalim. Kasi sunog na yung skin niya or yung labas niya. Tapos hindi ko alam kung yung ilalim luto pa. Actually, hindi pa. Ganun kaluto yung ilalim. So, ilalagay natin siya sa oven para maluto talaga yung ilalim. I-air fry ko sana eh. Kaya lang may mga sabaw-sabaw kasi siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging resulta niya sa air fryer. So, inano ko na lang, fernay ko na lang with oil. Hindi pa tayo ganun ka-pro sa air fryer. So, maya na. Let me know sa mga may mga air fryer dyan. Okay ba na may ganun? May mga sauce na ilagay? I'm not sure eh. Please let me know. Guys, hindi ko nagustuhan yung ulam. Yung tosino na chicken. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Hindi ko alam. Siguro ako lang. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. So, nagluluto ako ng fries. Nag-air fry ako ng fries. Yun yung kakainin ko. Siguro kasi hindi din ako ganun kagutom. Kasi kain pa more kami kanina eh. Siguro yun. Anyway. Sayang yung tosino. Kasi ayaw din kainin ng dad. Mas bet ko talaga pork belly. 6 minutes na lang. Makakain na tayo. Hindi pa naman ako ganun kagutom. Bakit parang magayo mukha ko? Magayo mukha ko, tingnan. Anyway guys, close ko na tong vlog na to. Actually, nakalimutan ko kayo. Nakalimutan ko, nag-vlog pala ako. 11:21 na ng gabi. Pero, yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night guys. Mwah.